Hello, future food innovators. Have you ever dreamt of creating your own food delivery app, much like the Talabat app? Well, buckle up because we've got a step-by-step guide for you. Step 1. Concept. Start with a solid concept. Identify your target audience, unique selling points, and the key features your app will offer. Step 2. Development. Bring your idea to life with a reliable development team. Consider reaching out to experts, such as iTechnoLabs, for top-notch mobile app development services. Step 3. User-friendly interface. Design an intuitive and user-friendly interface. Customers should be able to navigate effortlessly, from choosing their favorite restaurants to placing an order. Step 4. Real-time tracking. Integrate real-time order tracking. This feature not only keeps customers in the loop, but also enhances their overall experience. Step 5. Secure payment. Ensure secure and convenient payment options. Customers appreciate a variety of choices, including credit cards, mobile wallets, and more. Step 6. Marketing. Spread the word. Implement a robust marketing strategy. Social media, promotions, and partnerships with local restaurants can help create a buzz. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating your own food delivery app. And if you need expert assistance, don't forget to contact iTechnoLabs for a seamless development process. Thanks for watching.